Hello folks, welcome to Ethical Empire. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is the demonstration video of one of the well-known web application security scanner, that is ZAP, also known as Zed Attack Proxy, and also referred as OWASP ZAP, which is basically maintained by the OWASP organization, that is Open Web Application Security Project, which is focused on improving the security of software. So, as we know that ZAP is an free and open source web application security scanner, and most of the security analyst, penetration tester use ZAP for the finding vulnerabilities in web applications. So, without wasting time, let's get started.
Connection established.
So this is my terminal of Kali. I will just switch to my root account. So we will start with the installation part of ZAP, following with like how we can going to scan any web application or web page using ZAP, and after that how we can generate report from it. First, we have to install ZAP in our Kali machine. For that, first we ensure that we are updated and upgraded. For that, we will use apt update. You can also use sudo. I don't have a habit of using sudo again and again because I am already in root. So there is no need if you are in root, use sudo again and again. But if you are not in root, so use sudo every time. Like here, I'm using sudo apt update, and we will give prompt as a y. It's just simply if anything asks from during the process, if anything asks, automatically uh, it will automatically selected as yes. You don't have to manually type again and again y when it will ask you to for the permission for yes or no. So we will just hit enter. It will take a time because it will update all the necessaries, binaries, libraries, packages, and all the things. So it will take time. No problem. I will crop this part. Okay, so here it is done. Mm, It is showing some message at the bottom, but do not worry. Let it be because it doesn't have any relation with our Zed Attack Proxy. So we will just move ahead. In my case, it takes less time. In your case, if you are installing Kali Linux, like for the first time you are installing Kali Linux, so it will take a lot of time to update and upgrade. Now I will do just upgrade. So now I will do just upgrade. Here we can include sudo apt upgrade. Here also why you can use both the commands simultaneously also, like update and upgrade, so it will do the both the things at once, but I'm using um, individually. Okay, here it is upgrading. It will also take a while. Okay, so it took a lot of time to complete the upgrade process. So uh, it also asked in between about for the services which you want to restart after the upgrading process. So you can select the services accordingly, or you can select the cancel. So uh, it will not restart any services. And once it is done, we are ready for the installation. So there are so many ways to install the ZAP. but I'm going with the simple one. Using the command apt install ZAP proxy. Can also use sudo. Okay, I will just hit enter as I have already installed, so it will not take a too much time. But in your case, it might take a time, and it will also ask for the various prompts like you want to install this library, these packages. So you can select yes there, and if it is not working for you, so uh, try to repeat the part of update and upgrade, because some of the necessary packages and required packages are uh, not correctly installed or updated. That's why sometimes we are unable to install ZAP proxy on Kali Linux. So here it is installed, so I will just clear it up and exit from my root account and search for ZAP proxy. Here it is. Yeah, it is installed successfully. You can also check the version. Yeah, here you can find Java version, memory, and all the things. So using this command, it will also uh, open the ZAP proxy, or you can simply check for the check here for the ZAP proxy in the menu. Here it is ZAP. So you can also open it from the menu and also from the command line. Okay, it is open. So no, I do not want to purchase this session at this moment in time. So we will just hit start. For the scanning purpose, I have one intentionally vulnerable website, that is OWASP Shop. It is running on my local host, port number 3000. So which consists for all products, and it basically consists of products. You can check here. Only one left, closed reviews. Here are reviews. So it is an intentionally vulnerable website. So it it has some vulnerabilities. So we are going to identify them using the ZAP proxy or ZAP. So here are multiple features like automated scan, manual explore, support it is different thing. So automated scan and manual explore. So we are going with the automated scan because it is just an introductory video of the OWASP app. That's where. So we will just copy out the URL. We can use different URL, which web application or web page uh, you want to attack or you want to explore. So here it is. So here you can check all the options like traditional spider, Ajax spider, modern, always, or with Firefox headless, Chrome headless. So uh, you can configure accordingly. So here I am keeping all the things at default. And if you want more depth information about all that, so I will make another video for it because it is an introductory video. So I'm not going too much depth in it. So I will just hit attack. So you can see the that attack is started. Here we can able to the uh, here we are able to see the method, whether it is post get or post get, and it is of out of scope or yeah, it is in scope or out of scope. All the domains and subdomains URL. So it is the timestamp at which it enumerated. So here it is. So our scan successfully completed. So here we can see the localhost 3000 FTP, that is it is open with the method of get. So the red sign is of out of scope, and green sign is that the that particular domain or directory is in scope or it is reachable. So we can see alerts. Here we can see common alerts that content security policy, session ID, and vulnerable JS library So we will check the information in it. Okay, so we will click out here. So we can see the risk, whether it is critical, severe, medium, low, high, all the things will be displayed here. Okay, so we can go for the next, like vulnerable JS library. So here the risk is medium, and we can move on. Next, at here you can see the risk is low, confidence is medium, and all the information you will get. And here, like, so this is the informational. So it does not contain any uh, risk, like not medium, not high. It is kind of information disclosure, so it only contains information. Our next part is to export this scan result in our uh, local file. So ZAP offers a numerous of extensions for saving the report. Here we can go on report option, generate report. So you can see the report title, report name. You can edit according to you which you want to save. Like I want to save as juice shop, juice shop. Okay, zap report.pdf. So there you can also write description. There are option like if you want in HTML, JSN, and PDF, XML, and lots of options are there for generating the report. Like if you want to export this report in uh, any vulnerability management application platform like Defect Dojo, and also you can choose accordingly the report format, like if it supports the JSON format and if it supports the HTML format and PDF format. So I'm not going to demonstrate that part, but here I am just exporting in a traditional PDF format. So you can filter out the options here, like which options you want. Like if any vulnerability is high, so you want to mention there. If it is not high, so you don't want that particular vulnerability will be included there. So you can filter out the options here. This is the report name pattern. So you can also change the report name pattern here. So accordingly, next time the report pattern will be according to you template directly, like where you want to save every time, so you don't have to configure again and again same options. Once it will done, it will apply for future also. Yeah, we have selected template also. So scope here, we have edit our report name. So we don't have any description here, so we will just going to generate report. Here our report successfully generated, so it has been open. So here we can see the risk level, number of alerts in the high, medium, low informational. So here we can see alert details which we had saw earlier, and the reference ID, CWE ID, all the things we can see here that is mentioned. Supported summary of alerts, all the things like what are the alerts name. I'm concluding this introductory or demonstrating video of OWASP ZAP here. So there are also key features of OWASP ZAP that I have shown you. Automated scanner. So it also had manual testing tools and like Spider, Fuzzer, and also support active and passive both type of scanning. And we can also like enable API here, so you can allow integrations for uh, other tools and automations of security test. You can also integrate with the CI/CD pipelines like continuous integrations. So you can perform automated security checks during the software development life cycle. So OS app has a numerous features and lots of advantages. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. So until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. See you guys soon. Bye.